Stop. If you want to improve your credit, then you need to know the basics. Check this out. There are two versions of credit scores. There's FICO and then there's VantageScore. Each model ranges from 300 to 850. This is distracting. Let me take this off. To be considered good credit, VantageScore has their sweet spot at 661 and 780, while FICO has their good range between 670 and 739.
So how do we get to the good range?
Well, that's a good question. Your credit score is broken down into 5 categories. Each category represents the amount of points you can have. To make it simple, they give you 300 points just for being alive. Think about the SAT. It's up to you to get the extra 550 points, and here's how. Let's break it down from the biggest impact to the smallest impact. The biggest category is your payment history. Making on-time payments on your credit accounts can help your scores, but missing payments, having accounts into collection, or filing bankruptcy can hurt your scores like crazy. Next, we look at credit usage. This is how many of your accounts have balances, how much you owe, and your credit utilization rate. That's the portion of your credit limit that you're using on revolving accounts. They all come into play here. Now we look at your length of credit history, y'all. This category includes the average age of all your credit accounts along with the age of your oldest and your newest accounts. So this is why when you pay off, let's say, a car loan, your credit score drops because you're affecting your age of credit. Now we have types of credit, also called credit mix. This considers whether you're managing both installment accounts like car loans, personal loans, or mortgages, and revolving accounts such as credit cards and other types of credit lines. Showing that you can manage both types of accounts responsibly generally helps your credit score. Now we have recent activity or inquiries. This considers whether you've recently applied for or opened new accounts. But having too many inquiries, y'all, in a short amount of time makes you seem risky, and lenders typically want to approve you for credit. So stay off those credit applications, stay off Credit Karma. If you have questions regarding your credit, need help improving your credit, or have general questions, make sure you DM us. We're always happy to help. Until next time, fix your credit.